Hey, small business owners, have you recently launched your business and you're looking for a website to advertise your services? You've looked at your options for website builders. Perhaps you've heard of Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, or GoDaddy. Today, I'm going to be showing you the absolute fastest way to build a website for your local business. It's literally going to take you 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the MultiSites platform. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with the MultiSites platform yet, welcome to our YouTube channel. MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start that free trial like most other website builders. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's say, for example, you have a lawn care business. Let's type in lawn care over here. There it is over there. You also have the options to select the general service business, retail store, or general restaurant template. I'm now going to go ahead and select lawn care. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our lawn care business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites platform. We have happy users from literally all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MultiSites will work its magic and generate a simple website for your business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. Don't worry about that for now, because Stan will be the one to show you around, show you how easy it is to edit and make changes to your brand new website. Now, the great thing about the MultiSites platform that makes us a little bit different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to each market. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. You can, of course, upload your own images and change this content that was pre-written, make it a bit more personalized to your business, let your customers know how you got into the industry, a little bit background of how your business came to be. Your customers would absolutely love to hear more about your business. To make any changes, as mentioned, you absolutely don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be super tech savvy either. You literally don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. How convenient is that? So let me show you, give you a brief overview how easy it is to make any changes and make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, put in a few details over here like my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address to be taken directly to Google Maps. If you are a mobile business, you can leave that location off. Underneath update social links, you can put in the links for the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website, so your customers can give you a follow on social media and get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors, you of course don't need to know any color coding. Just click on that paints icon. Go through the various color palettes. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized, change up those images, maybe the call to action buttons, or the content that was pre-written, just click on that handy update section button. Underneath update image, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from in the library. You can also connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile for your business. Underneath update action is where we can change the text on those buttons, where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe a great way to advertise your different pricing points or packages for your services. Maybe if you take online bookings, you can link to another website like Calendly, for example. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries and concerns. You can keep track of all your leads coming in, check them in your Marti dashboard. Domains are really easy as well. If you've already purchased a custom domain before, you want to hook it up, MultiSites makes use of Entry to set up your domain. It literally does it for you. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get get one to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy, stand out from all your local competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. Just click on I want a new domain. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos. We have loads of valuable information in marketing your local business. All the best.